If you have a hot tub, a pool, or simply a bunch of kids that leave damp towels around after showering, you might want to consider a towel warmer. I have 3 kids, and damp towels never seem to dry without a musty odor, and the problem even gets compounded with the humid seasons. Towel warmers, once expensive, are now priced to be accessible and reliable, and they're super easy to install, and they're a great solution for damp, smelly towels. We recently installed an electric towel warmer made by a company called Warmup Incorporated. The Warmup towel warmers are safe, easy to install, and great looking. And it's a great addition to a bathroom remodel. And bathrooms should be a place where we can escape and relax, right? Foul smelling, damp towels are nothing more than a wet blanket. So why a towel warmer? Towel warmers, when they're set on timers, can be cost effective and actually reduce water usage by eliminating the need to wash towels often. And this is an opportunity to guide your clients, guys, when you're doing renovations for an innovative solution to some of these problems. Look, there are 5 benefits you can share with your clients. First of all, it adds heat to the bathroom. Warm-up towel warmers add between 150 to 450 watts to a bathroom. So that equates to 1,500 BTUs. And if your bathroom's always cold, then adding the towel warmer might add just a bit more heat that you might need. 2 is they're safe. The warm-up towel warmers are safe, and as a remodeling contractor, I'm super concerned about my client's safety. So towel warmers that are sold online, they get very hot. The engineers at Warmup, they figured out how to make an effective heated towel rack that doesn't get hot and burn your skin. And the warm-up towel racks are UL listed and approved. Number 3 is the warm-up towel warmers heat up super fast. 3 minutes it takes. So that basically means that you can flip it on, get into the shower, take your shower, get out, and have a pretty warm towel if you wanted to do it that way. And number 4 is they're super easy to install. The warm-up towel warmers are so easy to install. Look, there are so many aspects to bathroom renovations that result in a certain amount of chaos. It is what it is. Adding a towel warmer doesn't do that. Towel warmers can be controlled. They're easily wired, and they can be controlled with the floor heating or a 4IE thermostat, which means you can set programs to turn it on, turn it off, or it can simply be just a light switch. The warm-up towel warmers for 5 are just functional and classy. I love the options that Warmup offers. They have a great array of size options, both for large and small bathrooms. So, in conclusion, more than any other room in the house, bathrooms combine an intense usage needs with tight space constraints. Adding a towel warmer to your bathroom dovetails style with functionality. It's an easy way to provide a feeling of luxury while saving water in the process. And your clients are going to love it. And oh yeah, don't forget, the end result is great smelling warm towels. I'm Rob Robillard. Please subscribe to this channel. We'll see you at the next video. Take care.